Radical Breakdown, Thinking in Public. I'm Marcus Bay. Today's question, what are they really afraid of? If you want more of this, subscribe. First, you'll hear the raw memo, then I'll come right back and unpack what I mean.
When you hear the phrase, this country, and most of European countries was built on the back of slavery. This applies not just in America. When I say multiple countries and continents, what the Belgians did in Congo, whole nother story. It's probably much more horrific than and done in such a short period of time than was done to the American in America. But anyway, um, all of that was economical. Because we think, well, it was built on slavery. No, slavery was simply a mechanism. The system is built on economic capitalism. That's all.
Stop letting them repackage the crime. It wasn't history, it was business. Slavery wasn't the system, slavery was the tool. The system was and still is profit. That's the Radical Breakdown, Thinking in Public with Marcus Bay. If this made you think, share it. If it made you feel something, comment. And remember, every radical purchase builds something real. Buy here, build here.